Welcome to International Islamic University Islamabad. The International Islamic University, Islamabad is a public research university located in Islamabad, Pakistan. It was established in 1980 and restructured in 1985 and remains a valuable source for higher education in Pakistan. The university is regularly listed among the most recognized universities and prestigious degree-awarding institutions of Pakistan by the Higher Education Commission of Pakistan. The university ranks joint second in the 2022 Top University Rankings of Times Higher Education World University Rankings in Pakistan. It also constantly ranks among the best universities in the country for the general category by Higher Education Commission of Pakistan. The university consists of the following faculties: Faculty of Arabic, Faculty of Sciences, Faculty of Computing and Information Technology, Faculty of Education, Faculty of Engineering and Technology, Faculty of International Institute of Islamic Economics, Faculty of Languages and Literature, Faculty of Management Sciences, Faculty of Sharia and Law, Faculty of Social Sciences, Faculty of Islamic Studies, Faculty of Arabic. International Islamic University, Islamabad offers admissions in BS Arabic, BS Translation and Interpretation, MA Arabic Language, MS Arabic Linguistic and Literature, MS Translation Studies, PhD Arabic Linguistics, PhD Arabic Literature. The faculty is distinguished with being the first faculty in Pakistan for teaching the language of the Word of God, the Quran. Established by the KSA, Egyptian, Iraqis, and Pakistanis great Arabic scholars of international fame. No to co-education environment. Internationally multilingual learning environment. Separate academic blocks of male and female students, having 4 departments plus unique combinations of academic programs. Arab and Pakistani highly qualified teaching faculty. Arabic as medium of instructions. Arabic and English in translation and interpretation along with 10 international languages: Urdu, Chinese, Thai, Turkey, Spanish. The only choice for non-Arabs to learn Arabic. Modern audio, visual aids for teaching. Unique marketing scope of the programs. Teaching at various educational institutions: Arabic, translation and interpretation. Serving as professional translator and interpreter at various embassies. Jobs opportunities in Arab media, other regional media, Urdu, English, Chinese, Thai, Turkey and others. Huge of industry of translation, interpretation, dubbing, voice-over freelancing opportunities. international NGOs, government, institutions, embassies. Your future dream. Choosing Faculty of Arabic, the best place to learn Arabic and Arabic sciences. Administration. Dr. Arif Alvi, President of Pakistan. Chancellor. Professor Dr. Ahmad Salim Muhammad Al-Ameri, Pro-Chancellor. Professor Dr. Hazal Hamid Al-Otaibi, President. Professor Dr. Nabi Buxjumani, Vice President, Administration and Finance. Professor Dr. Ahmed Shuja Syed, Vice President, Research and Enterprise. And Acting Vice President, Academics. Professor Dr. Samina Malik, Vice President, Female Campus. Professor Dr. Fazlullah, Dean, Faculty of Arabic. Dr. Sher Ali Khan, Assistant Professor, in charge, Department of Translation and Interpretation.